Okay, I am Mekia Ifalewa Iyanifa Arifatu. I am Iyanifa and Oloye of Osun priestess here every year. I'm from the United States, so our culture. The reason I'm here is because our culture is very strong, very beneficial for us and the traditions of our ancestors. And it's good to come back every year just for the essence of culture, just to be able to see the wide variety of people here that are coming back to their roots and just beginning to learn more. It's beneficial. It's our birthright to know where we come from, to know who we are as our identity as Africans, as Yoruba people, digging deep from those things that were lost, the things that were lost to us with culture for purposes of just gaining a whole view of who we are as people in the diaspora, African people, the wealth and the just my experience has been very humbling. Orunmila provides the map via divination. Well, I've also been a very inquisitive person. So, I think deep and I ask a lot of questions. The study of the Ifa corpus is at large and very potent for the explanations for everyday life challenges. With the guidance of Oludumare and Orunmila, we are able to assist those in need. However, I have a long way to go with training. I thank Oludumare for my husband, Oloye Ifatu, who is a very competent Babalwo and always at my side with his wisdom of Ifa. I've learned that Orunmila's words will never fall to the ground. All life challenges can be solved through divination and Ebo. It is important for us of the diaspora to follow the way of our ancestors. Knowing our roots, culture, and the history of our ancestors is our birthright. Our culture is so rich and so powerful. Who would not want to return to our traditions? I am Iyanifa, I am Oloye of Osun. Osun is my mother. I'm from the United States of America.